2 seconds, the deal closed, also in plus. Great. These 4 indicators helped me to earn 1,000 bucks in just 5 minutes, guys. Trading binary options. So now I'll show you their settings and tell you how to use them. Let's go, guys. Here we are on Pocket Option Broker. Our initial balance is $200. The transaction amount is also $200. The transaction time is minute. The time frame on the chart minute. We have 4 indicators. Now I will begin to demonstrate their settings in this plate. Also at the top there is an indicator, for example this one, Parabolic XR. For anyone interested, pause, and I recommend copying all the setting data since I selected them for quite a long time and tested them also a lot. I also want to tell you a bonus about the promotional code from me and from my team. We have started a small cooperation with the Pocket Option Broker, and they give us a promotional code for plus $100 to replenish for the first balance. So you top up with $100 and you have $200 on your balance sheet. Like I have $200. So this is the ideal start for trading, since this is the safest balance, so almost. We have set all the settings and are slowly moving on to the first currency pair. Now we are already opening down. So down trades on the first currency pair, and now I will begin to analyze why I opened a bearish trade. Here we see, guys, a global decline in the last small range, so we can immediately highlight. And according to this, to the envelopes indicator, which is on the chart, we see an upward trend, but we have a slight drawdown since the envelopes indicator more shows the overall picture. But we have 2 lower oscillators. The first shows down, the second also shows down. The 2 oscillators have points of contact, and below the resistance and support area we see in the first indicator. I increased it so that it's more convenient for you to look. At the first CCY indicator, which is golden, this is 100 and minus 100. The second RSI is 70-30. They work on a similar principle. Until the end of the transaction we have 12 seconds left. I think that this transaction will close in plus and we are going down steadily. I also want to tell you about my Telegram channel as usual. I won't sell you anything. I'm just saying that there are signals in my Telegram channel, so I just opened a deal. It's published in my Telegram channel, and you don't even have to understand trading. Almost you don't know how to make a technical analysis, so you just can be silly almost. And I will trade for yourself. So just go subscribe to my private Telegram channel and I open a deal and publish it. So you also go to the Pocket Option and that's it, and just copy the deal. So nothing more. Meanwhile, we already opened the deal on the second currency pair, also on decrease. The envelopes again shows an increase, as well as the parabolic indicator are located in the form of dots. But here technical analysis is already included in this structure. And again, our 2 indicators see that the oscillators at the bottom of the screen show a descent. There is a downward trend, just like the global trend. Why I decided to open such a trade? Because we are also with technical analysis. Don't forget that technical analysis is an area of resistance, an area of support. In addition, the definition of shadows, a general reversal. So we see the candles began to decrease. Before these, the candles are very large. In most cases, there will be reversals. We opened our trade for reversal, and exactly this is the essence of our work. Before the transaction is closed, as 7 seconds left, we see we are starting to have drawdowns. Great! The trade has closed in our plus, guys. Balance, by the way, is already $528 at the moment, so we have already more than doubled. The goal for this video to earn $1,000. We immediately move on to the third currency pair to achieve this goal. So here we are opening the deal, guys. on decline. Well, this is probably the simplest trade on the envelopes indicator. This is a channel, so we see I have highlighted the downward trend. Parabolic XR have formed at the bottom of the screen, but since we have slightly crossed the general downward trend, I have highlighted a large arrow to show you the essence of the direction of the chart. The second indicator is CCI as well as the parabolic. Since these indicators are more generalized, and in the last trade we really have a small increase, but since we are trading point by point on a minute time frame, we need to look at the chart more point wise. And if we look at the RSI indicator as already and CCI, we see that we have leveled and gradually heading the lower position. So let's wait for our transaction to close. If you are struggling to understand trading indicators or are disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. So my free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can replicate manually or automatically by connecting to my trading profile, Social Trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. So need to make $50 to $1,000 per day? Join my Telegram group right now. Here you will find success stories of new buys and real results online. So the number of places is limited, so don't miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. Until the end at 2 seconds and the deal is closed in plus. Yes. Don't forget to apply technical analysis according to technical analysis. Here you can see the growth, the decrease of candles, the formation of shadows, the upper position and the reversal. And well, the indicator also shows the volume that we are going into downside trend. This is also an important factor that must be taken into your account, and mine also. So we have three currency pairs. They all closed in plus. The balance is as much as $706. I remind you that all transaction data is broadcast to my private closed Telegram channel. But for you who watch this video, go quickly in a couple of days. The access are free. Especially for you, for lower viewers. So go quickly to catch up, cause it's absolutely free, no money. We have already moved on to the fourth currency pair. Open a trade also for a fall and begin our analysis, guys. I invite you to simply put this into practice. I show a generally ascending trend as an indicator parabolic XR. In practice, you will eventually just get the hang of it and it will be quite easy for you. I show you the points of contact. Now we are as close as possible to them in relation to the previous period. Then we look at the two oscillators that are located on the bottom of the screen and the drawdown is visible from them. So we combine as many as 4 indicators. So we have 2 more generalized parabolic and envelopes indicators and 2-point indicators. These are CCI and RSI. I won't clock the broadcast, just let's watch the chart. Until the end of the trade, 2 seconds, the deal closed also in plus. Great. Our balance is already $900, namely $878, and we're slowly approaching to the mark of $1,000. We're already moving on to the 5th currency pair. Here I will open a trade for a also fall, and now I will tell you why. This is no need to look at indicators because the first indicators are increase, the second indicators are increase, the third indicator are increase, the fourth from a lower position moved to more neutral, which purely theoretically also shows as increase. So why did I open for downward? So now I'll tell you why. Here we use the most native technical analysis. The most standard technical analysis. Now I'm highlight the area of resistance, and we are reaching this area of resistance in connection with the A reversal is taking place. Apparently we had a decline, then stagnation, and then a decline. Just this stagnation on our chart, a pause. This is the area of resistance. So we see how much we sank. So, well, the indicators have already begun to level out a little. And at the end of the transaction, there are 10 seconds left. And this deal, I think, will probably 99.9% will close in positive territory and we will overcome the mark of 1,000 bucks. A second and great, yes. And that's what's happening, guys. We have $1,056 on our balance sheet. We traded on 5 currency pair. On the 6th currency pair we will not transfer. The goal was $1,000. We did it. Cool. Private settings for the Telegram channel, which I tested for quite a long time. I showed at the beginning of the video. I remind you that these and other strategies are also obtained in my Telegram channel. I publish them on also YouTube channel, and most importantly in the Telegram channel I publish signals so that you copy signals absolutely free of charge. So open a trade, it's automatically published in my Telegram channel and you can copy it at any time. So for the first couple of days, as I said, my private Telegram channel are open and free, so hurry up, guys. Also, when replenishing on Pocket Auction, don't forget to enter my promotional code plus 100% to your balance. So guys, thank you for watching. It was Kitty and see you soon. Bye bye.